What's up, guys? So today we're on the road and we're headed to actually buy a pretty rare sled dubbed the Red Rocket, right? I'm sure if you know old players, you already know what it is then. But it's a 98 XCR 440 little race sled. They're cool sleds and I've always kind of wanted one. So the price is right. It does need some work. Like somebody had a 151 under it, and then the guy was going to try to short track it, kind of tore it apart, never finished it. Sounds familiar. Definitely never done that myself. But so yeah, I'm gonna go scoop up this little 440 race sled. I think it'll be cool. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but yeah, we're gonna have a Red Rocket on the channel. I'm excited. Bam! Here she is. This is a 98 XCR 440 factory race sled. Pretty cool. It's not perfect, which is for me perfect because I won't be scared to ride it. Unfortunately, they did long track it. That is not the original suspension, but I do want to short track it. Put a little 121 under here. I simply don't have the time. I mean, obviously there's like suspensions and parts and way too many just like projects going on at one time. So I'm just going to throw this 136 or whatever suspension back under it and call it a day on this, just so it's together. You know, it does fire right up though. It's actually cleaner on the inside than the outside. It has a couple like leaves or whatever, but it's not bad. 440. Look at that. Paid $800 for this. One thing they did do was that's off like a Pro RMK, so that's way nice. So if you ever rode a sled of this vintage, you know, the old style metal handled one, yeah, those suck. These are awesome. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing slapped together and I'll get back to you guys. All right, here it is out in the sunlight. Doesn't need a seat cover, unfortunately. But yep, all together, fires right up. It's in okay shape. Still need a different rear skid, but it is what it is. Alright, time to get it parked in here. But before I do that, I need to move the Camaro. Get it parked up over here, probably. Next to the Pro XR. Ice race sled that I haven't really done anything with. There's the 440 project. I kind of parked it and the parts and stuff out here for now. Haven't done a single thing with that sled other than park it here. Picked up some 20s for my truck. Ain't put them on yet. I don't know. Probably could, I guess. I don't know. Been lazy. So those just kind of been chilling here. First things first, let's get this out of the way. Well, I successfully broke the recoil trying to start it. I give up.